How to post on a Facebook group anonymously. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily post on a Facebook group anonymously. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you just want to head over to the group that you want to post to. So simply go ahead and tap on a profile icon at the top right and you'll find your groups here. So as you can see, this is my group. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. And once you land on the page or the group, then you will find this option to post anonymously. So just tap on it and you can submit an anonymous post. And once you write in your message, you can just tap on post and only the admins and moderators can see your profile, but the general member of the group will find this post anonymous, and even if you comment on it, your profile will be hidden. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.